Got some real hikers over here, huh?
Yeah. No, cause like there's an easier trail. Well, not easy, but it's like
Straight? Straight to the museum, right?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like 7 miles. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's one. And then there's another one where it's
So
pretty
is it?
rugged, with lots of
Let's
rocks.
do it.
I try running it, but it's just hot.
Yeah.
So 7 up and 7 down, right? So that's 14.
That's only 7. Only 3 and 3 back and forth.
We're only going 3 miles.
Yeah.
It's a good stop right here.
Yeah. With the breeze. Yeah.
We've only done 1.1 miles.
We got to 2 more miles?
About.
1.9.
You did not bring the pocket knife here, though.
I didn't. Oh, maybe it's in your backpack.
We need a
Can't
knife.
wait for this 1.9.
You need a knife?
No, it's good. I have the knife, but I left it.
Can't wait to hit that river.
I know, right?
But I talked to the ranger. They said it's illegal
What?
bringing a knife.
A knife?
Bringing a what you call it? Camping knife, hunting knife.
Oh yeah, if it's more than
I had like 7.
like I think it's like more than 6 inches on the blade,
Yeah.
or I think it's 4.
4 is legal, right?
Yeah, I think it's 4 because
Yeah, I have the 7 one, so you know
This
what?
is
Forget
only-
it.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I have that one. Yeah.
yeah, this is like 4.5.
Nah, I think
Like
ours was
4.
slightly bigger than that.
Yeah, anything.
No, mine. Yeah, the one that I have is bigger
anything
than
bigger,
that.
but this is fine.
Yeah.
No, but what about my black one?
The black one is okay because it's a multi-tool.
No, I know, but where's the black one?
I don't know. We don't need it here, but there's a mountain lion here though.
For real?
Yeah. There's
Mountain lion, bobcats,
what are the
Rattlesnakes.
fox? Yeah.
fox.
Rattlesnakes too.
But we're in a pretty decent. We'll be fine though.
Here?
Yeah.
The only time they'll be aggressive if like they have cubs.
Oh.
Then
And then there's a lot of us too. So once they hear the the
All the
vibration,
noise.
they're just gonna leave.
And once
All
I
right.
see Jacob, it's
We
over,
good?
they're gonna run.
Let's go.
I'm gonna be the bait.
No, no, you're just gonna run away. You're gonna see they're gonna run away. You're not the good.
Yeah, we did halfway already. We can do this, Louis.
Dad, you sure about your knife? You know why?
All right.
I know you can't. So if there's a mountain lion, you kill it.
You can kill it.
No, if there's a mountain lion and then we killed it, what if like?
Then you're gonna go to jail.
No, but then we eat it.
Then you're gonna go to jail.
But what if we're like cavemen?
Still, you're gonna go to jail.
What?
Yeah.
Even if we're cavemen?
You can't kill any animals. It's protected by California, unless you are being attacked.
Oh.
So
Yeah, exactly.
let him bite you first in the neck, and then you attack back. So that way it's self-defense, you know.
Yeah.
Careful.
Hey.
I think it's
Boy, red.
over here. Over here, Gina. Should be over here. Over here. I think so. Yeah. Yep. Careful.
Where's the cabin?
Where is it? It's right here. Oh shit.
Why are you guys holding hands if you're supposed to?
Because I want that. In the bathroom.
Wait, where is it? No, it's over there. Extra footsteps. Oh, he's over there.
Who? Who's over there?
Oh, he's over there, yeah. Are you hungry? I'm hungry already. Can I have some drink?
Where's your water straw thingamajig?
It's not there?
No?
Oh,
You don't have it.
Small pond.
I don't know. Go under, Jake, go under.
You use Strava?
All trail?
Huh?
All trails? Hey, I use Strava too right now. I use Strava most of the time for mountain biking.
Hey, we can say we saw one. He's like, really? Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, sorry, Jake. Yeah, I got it for cheap, like $17 for a year.
Oh yeah, they have their little thing.
Yeah.
I usually do that like when my subscription or my thing is almost done, I cancel it.
Yeah.
And then I'll wait till they email me for like
Yeah, discount, yeah.
Because it's not expensive now.
Yeah. Well, like 40? 35?
Now it's like no discount, $70.
Damn.
It used to be only like 30, 40 bucks.
Where'd they go? You guys go. Yeah, I'll wait for them.
Did
Go.
you set the thing?
I followed them. Go with Ate Jake. Good?
Nasaan na sila?
Just follow the trail. Yeah, it's only one way. Pagod na si Louis Vuitton.
Oo, wala nang gana eh.
You tired, my boy?
Kaya rinig ko eh. Sa kaya na maglakad doon nung ano eh.
Ayaw na maglakad. Napagod na.
Kaya pag humiga na wala na, ayaw na niya. Saka bumabagal siya pagpaangat eh.
Happy trails, happy trails. Kaya pa da?
Apa naman? Ayaw ko lang mamaya pa.
Ano, pagka, ano,
Dagdagan na yung timbang ko eh.
pababa. We're almost at the summit.
Huh?
We're almost at the summit.
Ayaw ko ang pababa.
Then pababa.
Ayaw ko yun.
Yeah. I like it more. Pataas kaysa pababa.
Dito din tayo dadaan po.
Hindi, ikot tayo.
Kapag pababa, like...
Di mo control, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's bad for your knee too. You like hiking?
Nope.
Nope.
Tapos lang pababa.
Huwag lang pababa.
Pagod si Louie palalo.
Hmm?
Nakapagod si Louie. I got like extra 20 pounds.
Pahinga.
Sige na.
Sige, pahinga.
So, lang ako.
Pahinga tayo. Sige, okay lang yan. Tubig, walang tubig.
Meron. Yeah.
Wala tayo, gusto mo?
Hindi, okay lang.
Hay pa?
Hindi na. So, lang bumaba eh.
Alam mo balik?
Kaya, mabababa na lang siguro ako.
Oh, sige, dire-diretso lang yan, oh.
Oh, sige.
Sige, tol. Ingat ka. Wala na si Dada. He gave up. Yeah, he went down already. Yeah.
Malapit na po.
See. Yeah.
Sarap na kain.
Hmm?
Sarap na
Nga eh.
Mabigat masyado si Louie siguro.
Yeah, si Louie, 20 pounds.